We start with oil and gas news for you. Many West Texans saw a spike in gas prices this Labor Day weekend, which is typical for a holiday weekend.
But some places in the Permian Basin are seeing gas prices below the national average already. CBS 7's Tyler Poglich spoke with industry experts about the slightly lower prices and explains.
Look, we already know that it costs way too much money to keep opening up this fuel tank. But now that summer is unofficially over, could gas prices be headed back down?
Yeah, it should go down a little bit. Typically, fall is the time of year when gas prices fall.
If I could save myself from spending $30, I can't imagine.
Last week, the average price for gas in Midland and Odessa was $3.39. Prices in the area are 2.4 cents per gallon lower than a month ago and stand 5.7 cents per gallon higher than a year ago. According to Gas Buddy price reports, the cheapest station in Midland and Odessa was priced at $3.18 a gallon yesterday, while the most expensive was $3.59 a gallon, a difference of 41 cents per gallon. Hopefully now, with the lower temperatures and less travel, demand for gas will go down, helping lower the prices. There will also be a transition back to the winter gasoline, which has more butane, which is cheaper, which will help with a 10 to 20 cent decline. We are in hurricane season though, and if a hurricane comes through the Gulf of Mexico, it can affect our prices.
Keeping in mind that much of the nation's refining capacity and offshore oil drilling is in Louisiana and Texas, that could potentially cause prices to go up if there's a major hurricane that enters the Gulf of Mexico, or if there are any other production surprises from OPEC.
Earlier today, Saudi Arabia and Russia agreed to extend their voluntary oil production cuts through the end of the year, which would get rid of 1.3 million barrels of crude oil out of the global market. This move pushed benchmark Brent crude above $90 a barrel in the afternoon trading, a price unseen in the market since November of 22, which according to Gas Buddy won't affect us too much.
That probably won't have a huge impact on gas prices because now with summer driving season over, demand for gasoline is declining, and we're less than 2 weeks away from the switch back to cheaper winter gasoline.
Gas Buddy reported that last year's average for gas between October through Christmas was an average of $2.69 per gallon, which nobody can complain about.
That little money goes a long way. Like you said, when the holidays come along, we can spend that extra cash to get something that our kids can get, you know what I mean? It'll come in handy a lot.
Reporting at the pumps, for CBS 7 First Alert News, I'm Tyler Poglich.